Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to make the easiest, softest tortillas ever. That's right guys, we're going to make tortillas so we can use for fajitas or anything, okay? Now we're not going to mix them by hand, but you can do. We're going to mix them very quickly using our mixer. Now this is a very simple recipe using 5 ingredients. That's right, it's only 5 ingredients for the softest tortillas you will ever make. Easy, quick, fantastic. Let's do this. Okay guys, all we need to do, 1 kilo of all-purpose flour straight in our mixing bowl. Add our baking powder. Add our salt. And then add our shortening. Get our shortening in there. We want 700 milliliters of hot water. Now that's not a bad guess. So 700 milliliters of hot water. Connect our bowl to our mixer, connect our dough hook, lift up our bowl, pour in our hot water guys, get our hot water in there, whoa, and then let's give it a mix. Now the reason I'm using the mixer is common sense. Hot water, I'm not waiting for it to cool down to use. We're going to put the hot water in and just mix the dough. It's as easy as that. Alright, we've got a nice sticky dough going on here. Let's get the rest of that flour incorporated that's in the bottom of this bowl. Right, there we are guys, all we need to do now is take it out, but this is still hot. So let's have our dough out of there. It says using the mixer the wrong way around. Take all that off there, look. You can see how soft it is, but this is still very, very warm. We want to take our lovely dough out of there. Now this is still hot in here actually, quite hot. So what have we got? We got this lovely, lovely, soft, pliable dough. That is absolutely fantastic. Just look how soft that is guys. But you can see it's soft, it's a little bit sticky, 100% perfect. How easy is that guys? So what we're going to do now is break it up into balls. We're not even going to let it rest. We want to be weighing out our tortillas to about 70 grams. Now 70 grams is about a 10-inch tortilla. Now we probably won't be able to roll to 10-inch without a bit of practice, but at least we'll have a decent sized tortilla. So if we weigh our dough out to 70 grams and stick it in our box to rest, we'll have the perfect 10-inch tortilla weight, even if we don't roll to 10-inch. Okay, so we need to break off some dough. I mean, this is really soft, look. Some dough, and we need to weigh it. Do you know, I'm going to go for 80. We're going to have 80 gram tortillas. So just break it off and weigh it out to 80 grams. Fold it all under, give it a roll in the hand and put it in there to rest. So fold it all under with your fingers and then give it a rub round in your hand and you've got this nice tortilla ball. And then all we're doing, guys, we're just putting it in a box, and then we're going to put the lid on and let it rest for about half an hour. I'm using a tower today, a non-stick tower. Okay, so a little bit of flour, get our dough ball, push it out, roll it out, flip it round. Now I'm not very good, and I can tell you now, at rolling round tortillas, because I tend to roll them square. It just makes it easier for wrapping up. So there we are. And as you can see, this one's coming up absolutely beautifully. So all we need to do, guys, you can flip the pan if you want, or just turn it over. Easy tortillas. Now if you can roll them out thin, you will end up with a 10-inch tortilla, because that's what we've weighed them out to. And then what you do, put it on a tray or something and cover it with a cloth, and the steam inside will keep that really soft. So here we go, guys, here's another one on. Okay, a little bit more flour on here, squash out our tortilla, nice and steady. Round it off if you can. If you can't, don't worry. And then give it the old roly. Give it just a 30 seconds or so on that side. Let's check it. Just look at that. Take your tortilla, pile it on top of the other one, put your cloth back over. Let it steam inside, and then nice and gently up with another one. So let's get that rolled out. That's roundish. Can't grumble at that, really. So it's fairly straightforward, guys, you know. A little bit of a rolling. Watch your tortilla. Bottom's cooked nicely, and we'll want to put a little bit of browning on the top in a couple of places, and it'll look like a shop bought, except it's not round, because I can't roll round. There you are, guys. Take off. Ooh, long, hot. Put under the cloth. Get your next one. Nice and gently. That's how forgiving it is, look. On your tower or non-stick frying pan, whatever you want to use. And then carry on. Just finish them all off. And now you're going to ask me, do they freeze? Yes, they do. They freeze very, very well. Very well. So roll it out. Now we can see, guys, bubbling up nice. So let's flip it over. Then we'll get those little characteristic burnt patches on the other side. Now obviously if you leave it too long you won't burn it all. You don't need to burn it all because it's already cooked. There we are guys, tortilla, done. Whoa, hot, under your cloth. Next one, on. Okay, let's just carry on until we've done them all.